Hello there and welcome to Pluralsight's Fundamentals of HTML5. This is Craig Shoemaker, and in this series what I'd like to do is introduce you to the number of different technologies that make up HTML5. To begin, let's go over the outline of the module. So the first question I'd like to answer for you is what exactly is HTML5? And there's a myriad of different technologies that make up what we call this bucket of HTML5, and if you go searching for a definition of what exactly HTML5 is, chances are you'll get a number of different responses. So the first thing I want to do is kind of narrow down and crystallize your thinking around what exactly makes up what we call HTML5. In doing that, I'll show you some of the new semantic markup that's available, as well as discuss some of the JavaScript APIs that are becoming available. Next, we'll discuss the release date, and if you've done any research in this area, you know there's quite a dramatic date set in the future for when HTML5 will be done. And so I'll talk about that and what that means about real-world application development right now as these technologies emerge. Next, I'd like to do some markup comparison and show you some markup that you're probably using today and show you its counterpart in HTML5 and why you might take different approaches and the reasons for some of the changes found in the markup. Next, as we know that the different technologies that make up HTML5 are emerging technologies and becoming ready for prime time at different rates. And so detection and making sure that the platform and the browser that you're on is able to support the features that you're targeting is something that's very important. So I'll show you how you can detect these features and how you can reliably know they'll be available when you're ready to use them. To round up the module, I'll take you through some demos showing you how you can use Modernizer, which is a JavaScript library that allows you to do the detection, as well as take you through a real-world scenario of using some of the new HTML5 markup and even dive into a bit of how you might handle some of the styling issues. So to begin, let's dig into the fact of what exactly is HTML5.